just want to say thank you to everyone that's listening because, Christian and I have been at this for what, 7 months, 8 months. We're
Mhm.
going on the road, which I'm super excited about.
Woo,
And
woo.
you
Yep.
have to watch our Instagrams and the dates and the places and things like that. But I'm really enjoying this with you. And my friend Janice is the one that put it in my ear about you. And she's like,
Mhm.
you've got to call Christian. I'm like, he's too busy. He's not going to want to do that. And then when we talked, and here we are 7 months later, we're doing fabulous. Thank you,
Yep.
everyone, for downloading us and telling everyone about us. We're going to be adding a bonus episode, and we're going to do February finance. And so it's just going to be a 5, 10, 15-minute clip about some of the things that I've experienced 34 years in the business and the mishaps that people have had by not being properly insured. So we're going to focus on that in another time.
Yep.
But
And
today,
also too, it's going to be weekly bonuses. So if there's an
mm,
angle you want to hear Vicky take on finances, slide in her DM, slide in mine, let us know. Obviously, we're going to talk life insurance. We're going to talk about just the life of being a TV personality and having all these 1099s coming your way and how to manage that stuff too. So because a lot of people, even though they might not be in TV, I think post COVID, a lot of people started doing self employment and entrepreneurship. And so I think you can provide a lot of insight for people
yeah,
on how to
you're forgetting to pay
manage
the
that.
federal taxes, and then they get a big tax bill because they forget to take the money out. And I'm like, it wasn't all your money anyway, so take it out now. Remind me, write that down about what is the best way to pay taxes if you're a 1099 employee. And I've mastered it. I mean, I've never paid interest. I've never paid a penalty because I've mastered it. And I'm going to go back on that for a minute. My dad taught us one thing: you never mess with the IRS, right? So
Yeah.
they're going to come and they're going to fine you and they're going to add on interest and penalties and things like that. So get them out of the way. If you get a little refund at the end of the year, you're going to know what your tax bracket is. But I could talk about that all day long.
And this is timely too, because it's about to be tax season. So I
Mhm.
think that really, I mean, honestly, the 1099s of it all, and like we're not prepared for that, like in
Mhm.
school and stuff. And like, I was all when I jumped into the workforce,
They
it's like,
don't
okay,
teach us.
here's your W-2, you upload that, you're good to go. But then I started having opportunities like, okay, I could be a freelance writer for this, I could
Mhm.
pick up a day gig here. But you don't really know how to manage that. I mean, it's really
Oh,
just kind of asking people around you. So
yeah,
I think
and
you can really help a lot of people.
With Bravo, we got paid 10.99, and by the way, we
Mhm.
got paid because Vicky hasn't gotten the call yet this season.